Hey folks, welcome back. Have you ever plugged the USB drive into your TV to watch a video, only to face no sound or audio format not supported errors? A real pain, isn't it? But don't worry. Today, we'll fix it step by step. First, understand the causes. Unsupported audio codecs. Your TV might not support advanced audio codecs like DTS, EAC3, Dolby Atmos, or True HD. Outdated TV firmware. Think old phone OS struggling with new apps. Corrupted audio track. Sometimes the audio may get partially damaged during download or transfer. USB drive issues. A faulty USB drive, wrong file system, or insufficient power supply to the USB drive may prevent proper audio playback. Incorrect audio settings. Loose HDMI cable, incorrect audio settings, or a damaged USB port can also mute your video. Now, let's jump to solutions. Start with the easiest first. 1. Check file integrity. Play the USB video on your laptop divided by phone. If it has sound there, the problem's with your TV, not the video file. 2. Verify TV support. Check your TV's manual or use a tool like Media Info to confirm the audio codec stick to AAC divided by MP3 for universality. 3. Update TV firmware. Go to the manufacturer's site, download updates, and install via USB or online. Updates add new codecs. 4. Double-check settings. Ensure the TV isn't muted, volume is up, audio output is set to internal speakers. Change the TV's sound setting to auto and disable any audio pass-through. 5. Test USB. Try a different TV USB port or a spare USB drive. Format it to FAT32 if needed. Some TVs hate specific drives or NTFS format. 6. Install a third-party player. If you have a smart TV, install VLC or Kodi from the App Store. For non-smart TVs, use an Amazon Fire Stick or Roku. 7. Convert the audio format last but foolproof. Use free software like WonderFox HD Video Converter Factory. Add your video files. Pick your TV brand from the presets on the right side or a TV-friendly preset H.264 MP4. Choose a location and hit run. When finished, transfer back to USB for hassle-free playback on your TV. It always works, free and no tech skills needed. That's it. With these fixes, you'll be back to watching with sound. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.